Let's go ahead and work on homework exercise number 20 from section 2.2 from the homework exercises. A back and back stem and leaf plot compares two data sets using the same stem and leaf for each data. Leaves for the first plot are on one side, while the leaves on the other for the second data set are on the other side. The back-to-back stem and leaf plot shows the salaries and thousands of all lawyers for two small firms. Click the icon to view the plot. Okay, so clicking on the icon. Now notice the key here. 5 and then a 19 and a 0 is, this is the number of, this 19 represents the number of 10,000s, right? You see 1,900, that's 1,900, and then the law firm A would be 95,000 because it's on the left. 0 here would mean that the person at law firm B would make exactly 190,000. Okay, running out of zeros, 190,000. Okay, so again, now what we saw right here, so in the one we have, this is a 9, just a 9, so that represents 90,000, right? Tens of thousands. So 9 is 90,000. So at law firm A, one person makes 91,000. There it is, that, and another person, lawyer, makes 95,000. In B, one of them makes 91,000, and this would be 92,000, right? You see it? Now again, this 10 would be 10 10,000 is 100,000. This is 110, and then this the number of thousands. So like right here, well, these numbers 1, 2 would be 120,000, 120, and then this one would be 1,000, right? So it'd be 121,000. That'd be another 121,000. These values would be what? 120,000, 123,000, two of them, and 125,000. Okay? So you can see how it works. Okay, now, what at law firm A, what's the lowest salary and the highest, and same with B. So again, we were talking about that already. So obviously, right here is the 90,000s, and A, the lowest salary is 90 and a 1, so 91,000 in A, and the highest salary is 20 is what? 200,000. 200, and then 2 here would be another 1,000, so I keep on that 100. 202,000. For B, the lowest salary, again, would be a 9 with a 1, would be 91,000, and the highest would be 119, would be 190, and then with the 5, that's the number of thousands, 195,000. Okay, so the lowest in A is 91, 202 is the highest, lowest in B is 91, the highest is 195. Let's see if we can remember those. 91, 202. So 91,000 was the lowest in B, the highest was 202. This was again 91,000, and the highest was 195,000. Okay, good. How many lawyers are in each firm? Well, you just count up the units, right? You see how many lawyers in each firm. Well, firm A, there's 91,095, so there's 2 there, right? So 2 lawyers, and then 100, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 values. So 30 in A. In B, there's 2 more. 4 more would be 15, 5 more would be 20, 4 more would be 24, 3 more 27, 3 more 30, 31, and 32. So 32 values in law form B. So A has 30 and B has 32 by counting up the numbers in the leaves. So again, if I remember correctly, A had, we said, was 30 lawyers in firm A and 32 lawyers in firm B. Okay, compare the distribution. Well, just looking at it here, notice at firm A, there's a lot of lawyers that make, well, for lawyers, lower values compared to the two. In the 90s, 100,000, 110, 120, there's not too many in the middle, and then there's a lot of higher paid ones in the 170,000, 180, 190,000, and even one person 200,000. Where B is what? Most of the values are in towards the middle, from about the 110,000 to the 160, 170. So A has kind of two clusters, one low and one high, where B is more of a uniform distribution with most of the salaries in the middle. So let's see if we can find a choice that pretty much says what we just saw there. Okay, A is two clusters. Okay, so A at law firm B, the salaries tend to fall in the middle of the distribution, and law firm A, the salaries tend to be clustered at the far end. That's exactly what we just saw, right? So that's got to be the right answer. Again, form A tends to fall in the middle. No, that was B. And both of the firms clustered at opposite ends. No. Both of the firms are identical. No. Very different. So again, obviously A is exactly what we said. All right, very good. Let's go ahead and stop this session at this problem. I hope doing this video helps. If you have more questions, send me an email at swiersz@hodges.edu or ask me during class if you have a need for a lecture. Thank you for watching this video. Keep working on homework.